Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Check this out. It's Scorpion, but it's missing its tail. I think this might be a color changing Scorpion, but I'm not sure. Whoa, park that one next to Too Cool. That's a cool monster truck. It's a school bus monster truck. Oh, and here's Full Charge. That's another really cool one. Whoa. Which one's this one? The name of it's spelled S-A-L-V-A-G-E-R. It's Salvager. Have you ever seen the movie Toy Story? This is Buzz Lightyear. Pretty cool. And who's this green one with the big engine? It's got the initials R-D. It's Roger Dodger. Let's see what else is over here. It's Bone Shaker. It's a white Bone Shaker. That's so cool. Check that out. And who's this? Oh, it's a retro Monster Mutt. Whoa, it's so cool. Look at the tail and everything else. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Oh, look at this one over here. It's got red tires and red soda. Is it Strawberry Carbonator? It is. Oh man, do you know the name of this one? It's Nessie Sari Roughness. It's like the Loch Ness Monster. It's a mythical monster truck. It's so cool. And who's this? It's Tiger Shark, but it's not an ordinary Tiger Shark. It's radioactive Tiger Shark. It's pretty cool. And look at this one over here. It's Dragon. Whoa, this one's got to breathe fire, doesn't it? Watch out, watch out. So cool. Whoa, check this one out over here. It's Shark Creek. It's got flames on the side. It's like Tiger Shark, but it's different. This is pretty cool. And who's that over there that's upside down? Oh, it's one of my favorite. It's Avenger. This is kind of like the superhero of monster trucks, I think. It's a really cool monster truck. Oh wow, check this one out. It's Wild Streak. Wild Streak looks like it's got a bunch of crayon markers drawn all over it. It's pretty neat though. And who's that over there? It's Scooby-Doo. He has his tongue hanging out one side, but not the other side. Silly Scooby. Whoa, look at this superhero. It's Superman. So cool. We've got a couple more over here. We have Monster Mutt Dalmatian, but it's a purple edition, so that means it's special, right? Oh, and one of my favorites, Podium Crasher. All the mud on the tires. What about Burger Delivery? That one's pretty cool. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Salvager, Buzz Lightyear, Roger Dodger, Bone Shaker, Strawberry Carbonator, Toxic Tiger Shark, Shark Creek, Wild Streak, Superman, Podium Crasher, Burger Delivery, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Scooby-Doo, Avenger, Dragon, Necessary Roughness, Retro Monster Mutt, Scorpion, Two School, and Full Charge. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 monster trucks today. I think Avenger was my favorite today. Which one was your favorite? See you next time, friends.